K. Nagatna at Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss about the weekly weather review and the weather forecast for the next 2 weeks over Telangana state. The past week of 29th October, 5th November and outlook up to 5th November to 19th November. So now I am going to brief you the synoptic features. On 30th we had a cyclonic circulation over the South Tamil Nadu and its adjoining areas extending up to 3.6 kilometers. It's upper cyclonic circulation. And on 31st the east cyclonic circulation lay over the East Central Bay and adjoining North Andaman between 1.5 and 4.5 kilometers above mean sea level. Under the influence of the cyclonic circulation, a low pressure has formed over the East Central Bay over Myanmar coast and associated cyclonic circulation extending up to 4.5 above mean sea level. On 1st November to 4th November, there had been a upper air cyclonic circulation over central parts of the South Bay of Bengal and its adjoining areas extending up to 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level. So there is a cyclonic circulation now over this Sri Lanka and Gulf of Myanmar and it's persisting even on today. So the past week we did not have much rainfall and dry conditions have prevailed from 29th October to 4th November and one place had received over Bhadradri Kottagudem 1 millimeter of rainfall. So heavy rainfall events, since the season has changed from southwest monsoon to post monsoon season or northeast monsoon, hardly had any heavy rainfall events. And this is the distribution of rainfall for the past 1 week and this is the distribution of rainfall for the season starting from 1st October to 4th November. We had seen that most of the districts, almost all districts had no rain, that is the grey color part, and large deficit with yellow color over Bhadradri Kottagudem and Khammam district. And if you see the whole season, it seems that most of the districts are having large excess of rainfall and few districts in the Kamareddy and these regions are having excess rainfall. Otherwise there had been a normal rainfall. Only 2 districts had deficient rainfall. So this is the amounts of rainfall that had been received for the past 1 week and this is from the starting of the season. We can see Hyderabad has been dominating with 274% of departure from normal, which actual of 383 and normal of 102.5 millimeters of rain. And we can see that Sangareddy is seconding with 216% departure from normal. So if you see in this whole places surrounding the Hyderabad like Sangareddy, Rangareddy, Medchal, Malkajgiri had received highest amounts of rainfall during this season. And this is the forecast for the next 5 days. It is seen that mainly dry weather conditions are likely to prevail over the whole week and temperatures are likely to be down by 2 to 3 degrees below normal at isolated pockets of Telangana state. And this is in the Telugu. We are issuing the Telugu forecast also. We can see that some పొడి వాతావరణం రానున్న 5 రోజుల వరకు కూడా సమకూరే అవకాశం కనిపిస్తుంది. 1-2 చోట్ల కనిష్ట ఉష్ణోగ్రతల్లో నార్మల్ వాల్యూ కన్నా 2-3 డిగ్రీల సెల్సియస్ తక్కువగా ఉండే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి. And this is the extended range forecast for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 starting from 6th November. We can see that Telangana hardly has any rainfall in the 4 weeks. So dry conditions are likely to prevail are likely to occur during next 4 weeks. And this is the anomaly pattern of this rainfall. We can see that rainfall is below normal value -1 to -5 millimeters over Telangana and hardly any amounts of rainfall in the second week. And this is the normal rainfall based categories. You can see that Telangana hardly has any rainfall coming under the category of below normal rainfall. And this is the bias corrected rainfall forecast for maximum temperature We can see that the temperatures are ranging from 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. In one or two places over northeast districts, it is ranging up to 34 degrees Celsius. And this is the maximum temperature anomaly pattern. We can see that the temperatures are dropping over Telangana state by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius in the central parts and the eastern parts, whereas in the northwest and northern district it is by 2 to -4 degrees Celsius. And this is the corrected forecast, bias corrected forecast for the minimum temperature. It is showing that the temperatures are likely to be in the central parts and the eastern Telangana sides ranging 16 to 20 degrees Celsius, where northern districts are likely to be about 12 to 16 degrees Celsius. And this is the animated picture showing the temperature minimum temperature anomaly and the minimum temperature pattern, where the rainfall is down by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius and in some parts of the Telangana by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. And this is the probability showing the tropical cyclone Genesis over the North Indian Ocean. You can see that in the third week there is development of some cyclogenesis over the South Bay of Bengal and its adjoining areas. And these are the weather updates. We can see, you can log into our imdhyderabad.gov.in and radarhyderabad@gmail.com for Facebook, and we have a Twitter, Met Center Hyderabad, then we have a sinopHYD@gmail.com YouTube, and even you can send mails for any queries to sinopHYD@gmail.com. Thank you.